Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro, start by downloading the software. Visit the official Adobe website. Locate the Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro download section. Select the version compatible with your operating system. Click on the download button to begin the process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded installer file to run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. Choose your preferred installation settings. Click Install to proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro. On the welcome screen, you will see an option to sign in or activate. If you already have an Adobe ID, click on Sign In. Enter your Adobe ID and password, then click Sign In. If you do not have an Adobe ID, click. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the activation page. If you have a product key, locate the activation option. Enter your product key in the designated field. Click Activate to complete the activation process. After successful activation, you will have access to all features of Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Ensure that your software is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. You are now ready to use Adobe Acrobat Reader Pro effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.